So, hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve for the area and perimeter of a square. Problem. Imagine a square garden with each side measuring 5 meters. What is the total area of the garden? And how much fencing would you need to completely enclose it? So, in order to find the area of a square, we'll be using the formula area of square equals S times S or S squared. So the side is 5 meters, so we're gonna put 5 meters times 5 meters and then multiply the two. 5 meters times 5 meters is equals to 25 square meters or 25 m squared. So after solving for the area of square, we'll proceed to the solving of the perimeter of a square. So, in order to find the perimeter of a square, we'll be using the formula perimeter of a square equals 4 times S. So, 4 times 5 meters. Multiply the two, so perimeter of square is equals to 20 meters. So, the total area of the garden is 25 square meters or 25 meters squared, while the fencing would need to completely enclose it is 20 meters.